Hey y'all, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how I made the beans. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is to boil your beans. You can put it in hot water, soak it for a bit, and then because these things take a while, put it in your boiling water and forget about it. This is what it looks like after about 2 hours. I'm not sure, I don't remember. And then on the separate side, we're gonna have our tomatoes, onion and pepper, and then we're gonna cook that as a soup in a different pot. Okay, now that the soup is ready, we then add the soup into our beans when they cooked. Okay, the beans need to be softened by this time, and then now you add in your soup into the beans. Okay, so now you add in your seasonings, which is as usual all the same spices I use every time, which is raja, salt, six gun, all those. Yes, just season to your liking, because beans without seasoning does not taste good. Okay, and then now you mix and make sure it's properly incorporated, and then you let it simmer, let it boil like so, you see. And then you wait for the soup to thicken, because I do not add soup powder when cooking beans. It thickens on its own, so you just wait for it to thicken, and then for the water level to decrease a bit, so that you're not eating beans that are swimming in water. And then here's the finished product. I already made the fish in a separate video if you want to see. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye.